Hi, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. So nowadays, getting job is not so easy, but there are a lot of opportunities in the field of pharmacy. So in order to get updated regarding the freshers vacancies, we are doing our part. So please utilize the opportunities that are available that we share with you, my dear friends, by subscribing to our Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel, so that you will be aware of the new opportunities which are available. So coming to the vacancy from Microlabs Limited, this is a walk-in interview on 8th of this month, Saturday, for the officer or executive trainee. So here you can see the qualification is B.Pharm, B.Sc or Diploma. For production, 1 to 4 years of experience. For production or packing or stores, trainee, freshers, male candidates, good communication skill is required. For experienced candidates, granulation, coating or compression experience is required. So coming to this venue of this walk-in interview, my dear friends, which is Microlabs Limited, Bangalore. So the date of interview 8th, timings 9:30 a.m. onwards. So you can check the details which are available in the brochure if you have any doubts. Thank you for watching. So please carry the required documents for getting the job. Thank you.